Morning, children. So I hope you all had followed my video on area and perimeter carefully. This is your new chapter, chapter 10 for evaluation 3. We have finished with chapter measurement, all the exercises, all the word problems. And of course, the introductory video has been already shared with you. So area and perimeter, we learned that perimeter is the boundary and the area is the space used inside a given figure or a shape. When I have to find out the perimeter, I add the lengths of all the sides, which gives me the perimeter. You know that the perimeter of the circle is called as circumference. Like this figure is given, we add 15 plus 7 plus 15 plus 7, which gives me 44 as the perimeter of this yellow shape. We also saw that area is the measurement of the space inside a shape. Like a farm given here, where the farmer does the plantation, that is the area. And when the farmer does the fencing, he uses the perimeter. I also told you that there are two ways to find area. One, you divide the whole area in equal squares, or you use a formula. If I divide a shape in equal number of squares, I count those squares. I say 15 boxes, or I say 15 square units. We also did exercise 10.1, page 154. I told you all to do it in textbook itself with pencil in yesterday's live session. Now draw a rectangle. Okay. I have these equal number of boxes, and if I plan to draw a rectangle here like this, so what is the perimeter and what is the area? The perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 units. I don't know the measure of each square. मतलब मुझे square का side length नहीं पता है. हम by default उसको 1 unit लेते हैं. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units is the perimeter of this particular rectangle that I had drawn. Let's take one more. You have same kind of exercises. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry for my writing here. 9. And of course, 10 units is the perimeter. And if I tell you 3 this side, 3 the other opposite side. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 this side and 2 the opposite side is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Now, if I want to find out the area of this particular shape, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square units is the area of the rectangle. Perimeter is 10 units and area is 6 square units of this particular shape. Now let's look at something more. Like an example given here, draw a rectangle. I have drawn a rectangle using 7 squares this side, 5 squares this side, 7 this side, and 5 this side. They are because, sorry. So perimeter is 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 is 24 centimeter. Now, if I want to find out the area 1, 2, 3, 4, हर बार बैठकर हम लोग साइड्स स्क्वायर्स काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. The easiest way now it will be take one side and take another side and multiply them. So 5 into 7 gives you 35 square units. If you physically sit and count the number of squares here, sorry children, the screen is little landscape form, तो वो square थोड़े कम square दिख रहे हैं. So every time it is not possible to sit and count the squares. So another way is you take one side into the another side, like 5 into 7, it gives me 35. That means the number of rows into number of columns gives me total number of squares. So 35 square units और 35, अभी यहाँ पर unit already आपको सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. So you have to write square centimeter. 35 square centimeter is the area and 24 centimeter is the perimeter of this particular thing. Let's see what more I have. Now, here I have taken one worksheet for you, worksheet on area and perimeter. I don't know how many of you all have seen this kind of maps. Okay, this is a map of a house, let's say, which we are planning to build. So the architect gives me a layout of this particular house that we want to build. Now, when the architect gives me, of course, this is just a general idea that the architect is giving me. Okay, the architect said this is the garden. This is going to be the living room. This is going to be the entrance of the house. This is going to be bedroom 1, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Both the bedrooms have got lovely balconies, and this is a common bathroom. Now the architect gave you an idea that how many in meters, what is going to be the measurement of all these sections in the house. So as per, this is the garden. Garden is 3, 15, and obviously this will be also 15 even if it's not specified, and this is 3 because rectangle में opposite sides are same and you're seeing they are same. Entrance is 9 and 3. Living room is 6 and 12. There is a bathroom here that is 2 meters by 6 meters and like this. So this is the rough layout given to you by your architect. Now, I have few questions for you. That is, what is the area of the living room? What is the area of the living room? Now, children, here the living room is given. Now, I am not going to pick up a scale and sit and draw equal number of squares here. The architect is not going to come and make equal number of squares here to find out the area of the living room. It is not possible. 6 meters कितना बड़ा होता है? 12 meters कितना बड़ा होता है? तो आर्किटेक्ट को अगर एरिया पता करना है, आपके पापा या मम्मी को बताना है, तो आर्किटेक्ट इज गोइंग टू से दैट 6 into 12, sorry, architect is going to tell you that 6 into 12, what is that 6 into 12? 72 square centimeter is the area of the living room. 72 square centimeter, sorry, meter is the area of the living room. Similarly, if I ask Papa what is going to be the area of our beautiful garden, so Papa will tell you, beta, it's 15 into 3. 15 into 3. So that makes it 45 square meter. Okay. Now you are not going to go in your garden area, pick up that big scale and sit and draw squares. No. Right? So the direct method is, that is the formula method, you multiply side into side. So I'm going to have a beautiful garden of 45 square meter where I'm going to do the plantation. Now suppose I plan to put fencing in the garden, around the garden, so that the animals do not walk in. So what is the perimeter that I am going to, Abhi, see this side, you don't need fencing, but I need fencing this side, right? These three sides, I need the fencing. So what I'm going to do, 3 plus 15 plus 3. 3 plus 15 plus 3. That will give me how much? 21 meter. So I'm going to ask Papa to get the fencing wire of 21 meter because I want to fence the garden. This side is of course going to be your wall because it's attached with the living room, isn't it? But still, half perimeter or 3-side perimeter can be found and you can get the fencing size. Let's see what more questions I have for you. He wants his children to take the bedroom with lower perimeter. So which bedroom will be given to children? He wants his children to take the bedroom with lower perimeter. Which bedroom will be given to children? Okay, Papa is playing smart. So here, this is the bedroom with 5. Let's see. This is the bedroom with 5 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 5, which is 20 meters. This is the bedroom with 8 plus 5 plus 8. So 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. 13 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. So that is 20. This is 20. And this is 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 10. Oh, that is 26. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not able to write with my stylus there. 26. So obviously, Papa will want the kids to take bedroom number 2. So Papa will want the kids to take bedroom number 2. Okay. Now here, what is the perimeter of the garden? That I had already asked you. That 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. So 36 meter is the perimeter of the garden. So see, it's so simple, children, to find out the perimeter and the area of the specific given shape. Okay, so it's quite easy, and this is what we are going to do more through the exercises. So I hope you all have understood, children, what I've tried to teach you all today. With this, I'm ending my video, and in Monday's live sessions, we will do more of exercises. Goodbye. Have a good weekend.